So tell us a little bit about what you're seeing. What's the landscape looking like in your world? Is credit flowing? How is the, we've had a big slowdown in the Middle East. The oil price, which was above $100, is now around 50. That must have impacted things. First of all, just tell us about the Middle East first.
Okay. I think it would be fair to say that the region which I cover, Africa and Middle East, that has some of the high-risk markets from a financial crime compliance perspective and from a sort of governance perspective. Over the last couple of years, since the oil price dropped a lot from over 100 to about 50 levels, I think the government's budget sort of deficits have increased. Sort of the governments don't have that kind of money to spend as they used to have before, and that has in turn affected the entire sector. Investments have slowed down with the result that our customers are feeling cash flow pressures, their payments are not coming on time, and with the associated stress, if my commercial banking customer is supplying to a large contractor who in turn is relying on government payments, and if those payments get delayed, then obviously it trickles all the way through and there are stresses in the portfolio. The UAE especially had a lot of stress in 2015. What is also peculiar to the UAE is something called a skip risk, whereby customers, if the check bounces,
it can be very brutal, isn't it?
It can be a criminal offense. Yes. So some customers, take the flight out sometimes, and those stresses were there in the portfolio.
But we're not like 2008, where I remember photographs of cars being left at Dubai airport.
No, not at all. Not at all. No. It was a group of clients sort of across at the lower end of the spectrum, sort of. Some of them sort of got affected, some of them are over leveraged. But 2016, it has improved. Towards the last quarter of 2016, things started improving, and now sort of things are turning around. Again, I wouldn't say that we are out of the woods yet, but therein also lies an opportunity for us as a bank to finance some of these sovereigns. We are very active in the sovereign space. Yes. That's not my patch, but again, as a bank, we are doing quite a lot of transactions.
You're on the ticket for most. The latest one was Oman, I saw.
Yeah. Yes, that was done last week.
Yes.
So we are quite active there. So there are opportunities. Sovereigns are looking for capital. And again, some of our customers are also looking for capitals. And we are well positioned by virtue of our network. We can connect Asia, pools of liquidity with demand for capital. We are easily able to connect that. So therein lies the opportunity as well.
Yes.
Again, what we have done over the last couple of years is also, we have gone deeper with existing clients whom we have been banking for a few years, whom we know very well. This is the time also to show that we are firmly behind them. Again, we have cautiously onboarded new customers as well. So it's a mixture of both.